1, go!
The bots are off. The Fighting Mongooses go straight ahead, trying to get that coil on top of level 4. Ignite Robotics has positioned themselves on the other side of the coil reef as 2974. Walton Robotics placing 2, going for a 3rd. Their alliance partner 5608. Lassiter Robotics successfully getting that coil on level 3 for 4 points for their alliance. Going in the teleop portion of the match, the Blue Lions takes an early lead of 36 to the Red Alliance is 16. The Fighting Mongoose is knocking over that preset Algae and Coral as they make their way over to the Human Player Feeder Station. Ignite Robotics getting one from the other side as Team 2415, the Wired Cats, trying to see if they can remove some more Algae as Walton Robotics continues filling up the top Coral for 5 points each as fast as they possibly can. Walton Robotics now doing their same to clean off the reef from all the Algae. As Ignite Robotics on the Red Alliance place another coil on level 4 for 5 points. 5900 the Fighting Mongooses, seeing if they can get some coil from the Human Player Station as 2974 races back to the feeder station to place some more coil on the other side of the reef. Team 2415, the Wired Cats, trying to go, making their way to Human Player Station, adding some more coil. Team 5900, the Fighting Mongooses, have successfully lined themselves up to the Human Player, trying to see if they can get that coil into their arm. Not quite enough, and it falls down to the ocean floor. Ignite Robotics going all the way up to the top of the sea, plays another coral on level 4 for 5 points for their alliance. Team 2415, the Wildcats, have a coral in their possession and then line themselves up with the trough for 2 points for their alliance as Walton Robotics successfully gets another coral on level 2 for 3 points. Team 5900, the Fighting Mongooses, trying to get that coral on level 3, but it was not quite enough and falls down to the ocean floor. Team 4468, Lynx Robotics, are making their way to the other side of the reef with their coral in possession. 2974 continuing clearing the reef of algae and placing coral. With only 45 seconds remaining in the match, the Blue Lions has a commanding lead of 97 points, and the Red Alliance is 42 points. The Blue Lions getting close to earning that coil ranking point. That is, need to complete a few more coral reef sections. Team 2415, the Wildcats, line themselves up for another coral on the reef as their alliance partner Walton Robotics tries placing another coral on level 4, but it falls down on the ocean floor. Team 4468, Lynx Robotics, is successfully getting that coral in the trough for 2 points for their alliance. With only 20 seconds left remaining in the match, Team 6829, Ignite Robotics, is lining themselves up for a deep level climb as the Fighting Mongooses make their way to the Red Alliance side. 2974, Walton Robotics, depositing 2 algae into the processor for 6 points each. Ignite Robotics is in the air. Team 5608 has parked themselves under the Blue Alliance station as time expires. And the scores are in. The fish are swimming up to tell us that the winner is the Blue Alliance with a final match score of 142 to the Red Alliance's 64. The Blue Alliance successfully earned 4 ranking points, with the Red Alliance still earning a ranking point for their autonomous section of the match. And a reminder that we are now going on our lunch break, so if you were in the next qualification match after lunch, which is qualification match 34, to queue by 12:45.